Work now? Good. Alright, ready? What?
Hi, I'm Harsan and this is my train stop project. So the goal was to make a functioning train stop that opens and closes a gate based on the distance of an object. The design, I used cardboard in the shape of a triangle here to support it and to allow it to stand up, and then I used a straight piece of cardboard to act as the gate. And then I attached the rotor to the gate, and I hot glued it so then when the rotor turns, then the gate turns along with it. The build, some materials I used are the Raspberry Pi, which is like the brains of the build, the ultrasonic sensor, which is to detect the distance of the object, the motor, which is what allows the gate to turn, the cardboard, obviously to make the structure, and then the breadboard, the wiring to sort of link everything up. And then the program, so basically I set up all the LEDs and the different components, and I put in a while loop, so it's gonna the ultrasonic is constantly gonna send out the outputs of the distance of the object, and while it's doing that, it's gonna allow the LEDs to turn on or off depending on the distance, and also it's gonna turn on or off the rotor based on how far or close it is. I tested it many times. Setting up the ultrasonic and the LEDs wasn't too hard, but the motor was where it was really frustrating because it just never ended up working. It either was just, jittering or just like not working at all, or just worked once and then just stopped. And it took us a very long time until we were able to fix it, and then we found out it was due to a mistake in the code. Rethink. The things that we do better is improving the design of the gate. It's kind of just basic, nothing too nice looking, as well adding more LEDs to add to the distance to make it more specific or detailed, the design, and adding a buzzer or something like that to address the fact that there's an object that's more closer. So alongside with the LEDs turning on or off, I also have the buzzer there too. And then let's test this. So when I'm far, it's just closed, and then when it comes close, it opens up. And then when I go far,
zoom in.
Yeah. And that's basically it. For now.
Can you tell what are the numbers that are appearing on the screen?
So, the numbers represent the distance of the object. So when my hand is all the way up here, it's showing 100, and then when it comes closer, it's narrowing it down to 6 and 5 and stuff. Any questions? Okay, thank you for listening to my presentation.
Let's get a round of applause.